My name is Jamie Goldstein, and I work for the firm Arias, Sanguinetti, Wang, and Torrijos. In the Jones case, the case involved a gentleman. He was traveling in California and he was stopped in traffic. A truck came through that was going approximately 50 miles an hour and could not stop in time for traffic. The truck then ran into multiple cars, including Dean Jones' car. Unfortunately, Mr. Jones died at the scene and left behind his two young girls. The largest challenge we had in this case was the liability aspect, proving that the brokerage company was responsible for the carrier's actions. This driver was incompetent. There were signs warning him that he needed to slow down, that the traffic ahead was slowing. And through our video as well as the testimony, we were able to show that this brokerage company, they didn't do anything to vet this driver who clearly was not competent to be driving a truck the size that he was. The damages aspect of it was something we had to show that we did through video, through mediation, in order to get the case resolved. The settlement in this case was hard fought. Defendants initially didn't offer anything in this case. And in fact, it took us years before we received a single offer. And we were approximately a month away from trial. And at that time, the offers started rather low. However, we persisted with the video, with the mediations, until we received an offer that we thought was fair to compensate these two young girls. Ultimately, we were able to resolve the case for $2,745,000. In using MotionLit's video during our mediation process, it really helped us to explain not only the liability aspect as far as how this driver was ignoring the signs and warnings prior to this terrible, horrific accident, but also to really show the human side and the tragic loss of these two little girls that are going to grow up without a father, and one of them who was so young that she barely has any memories of her dad. The impact of these two little girls in that video really helped to increase the settlement amount in our case. I think the benefit of video in a mediation is to really bring to life your case. So many times it's just us in a room talking back and forth, facts and evidence. But when you have a video, you put a face to your client and you show the emotion and the power and the loss behind your case. I know that when those videos go out and when they're done right, they do impact the other side. And they also impact the mediator. And if you can impact your mediator, that person's going to bring that message to the other side and help to increase the value of your case. Here and in other cases similar to this, when using a mediation video, it really helps to show those damages, and it really helps to bring the success to the case and to bring closure for our clients.